Creating a consistent training set. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. If you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos, one subject at a time. So let's kind of unpack what we're going to be looking at here. So training data, learning algorithm, training set, a fitting classifier curve. So, all right, if you're going to begin to manipulate and find a very good model, your fit method and your SVC object, you're not going to want to be tweaking that model, that object, while your training set is adjusting. So we need to look and see how to do this. So, all right. So I've already brought in train, test, split. So let's look and see, what are we doing? Okay, this is what we're going to be utilizing. So let's see how to use this. So we run help. All right, so let's see. It was too large of information, so that's the only thing wrong with Spider. So, all right, controls the pseudo-random number generation, shuffles the data for probability estimates, ignored when probability is false. All right, so you can actually then pass in. So what we're going to do is, let's bring this in. And we can see right now that train, let's look at test y. All right, so we can see here, and then we run it again. And we can see that it's changed. Now, we pass in our random state. Keeps moving this over. Random state. Let's just do 1. I can't remember exactly what it. I'm assuming this is based off seed, where it's going to take the time of the processor and then begin to do some square root. But if we have the consistent starting point, let's do this. Run it again. Okay, run it again. And here we are. As we can see, we now have the exact same sets. So now we're able to then come through with our data, because what I'm going to do next video is I'm going to find the sample set that's going to give us 93%. I think we did an example of that. Get 93% and begin to tweak our object to improve our accuracy score. Because right now, we're randomly choosing different data points. So I want you to think about that. We're randomly changing our data points to then train to get lucky, instead of taking our information and forming a better fitting line with our object and then create our classifier. So I know that's a lot there, but spend some time thinking on this and read up on all of these things. And we, like I said, we do these bite size, so you actually understand what you're doing. So when you run into something that you do not know how to do, you're able to extrapolate with all the things that you do know. So there we go, guys. Make sure you're jumping down to the Discord server. Very nice growing community, very supportive community over there. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.